All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Olymp Trade's new YouTube webinar. My name is Hemant Modi and I'm a financial analyst of Olymp Trade Broker. Welcome, all of you. So, I'm here with a new different type of window, different type of a screen, because previously I'm providing you the consultation which is just according to the computer application or laptop version. But now, as we are changing the scenario, because most of our traders are using the mobile application, so here I am providing you the details with the mobile application, and today I am going to help you for your trading. So, as we all knows that Olymp Trades provide always some education sessions, webinars, YouTube webinars, Zoom webinars to helping you to improve your trading scenario. Every Wednesday I'm providing you some different strategies. Today we are also going to discuss about the strategies. So please be with me. And guys, I would like to request you, please, if you have any queries, any issues, any problems, please send your details to the chat box. And trust me, I will give you the answer of every of your questions, but after the topic. So, strategies, as we need to discuss about the strategies. But before starting the strategies and all things, I would like to discuss one thing to you guys. Please remember one thing. This trading is a very risky thing. Please do not open the trade and copy the trade as I am doing the trading right now with me, I mean. Because this is a live streaming, you are having some kind of delay on your screen. So just understand what I am doing, just check what I am doing, and then what you need to do, you need to do practice accordingly. So let's not waste the time. A warm welcome to all of you guys. Let's start. So what are the strategies? Strategies is basically the computerized tool which is helping you to provide some kind of beneficial things, some kind of signals which is you can use, and after that using the signal you will have a chance to get some profitability. So previously, as you saw before on my previous consultation and again, so I'm using usually the computer screen and the different of the computer screen and mobile screen. Now in the computer screen, technical analysis was on different place and we are on the mobile screen situation. So here is the technical analysis. What we need to do, we need to click to the technical analysis. Once we need to click to the technical analysis, you can see this kind of window: indicators, oscillators, drawing tool, strategies, advisors. I'm using the mobile application on the portrait way, the computer application on the portrait way. That's why still I'm having this all menu like this. But whenever you are opening this in your mobile screen, you will get this in the horizontal way, like A, B, C, D, left to right or right to left. So here we have the strategies options. We need to click over here and then you will see number of strategies. Depends according to your status. Right now I am in the expert status, so I am an expert status holder, bro. In that situation, what we have, I have 23 strategies. So 8 strategies I have, which belongs to the starter status, 7 strategies which belongs to the advanced status, and 8 strategies which is with the blue badge, that belongs to the expert status. So today we are going to discuss about the one more expert strategy called horizon. So here is the horizon strategy. I am going to click it. Once I am going to click it, there is a small window is opening. What is here? So we have a video, which is a small video, which is providing you some details about the, you can see it, a very small video which belongs to the not more than 2 minutes. You can check it out if you are having any kind of trouble at the time of trading by using this strategy, or if you are having any kind of you forgot anything or something, you can check from here the basics of the strategies over here and then the components. What I'm doing, I just enable the strategy. Once I enable the strategy is going to set on my account like this. So when I just select the strategy automatically going to set on my account. The base of the strategy. What are the base of the strategy? The important thing. The base of the strategy, there is a 4 changes we have. 1, the candlestick pattern is changed. The candlestick has become the high Kanashi candlestick instead of the Japanese candlestick. And the second thing, we have 2 SMA and MACD. How to check the parameter of SMA or MACD and what is that? So we can go to the technical analysis and then you can check. We have SMA 5, SMA 22 and MACD with the standard setting. For those who is not able to get the expert status, or those who actually not on the still not having the expert status, so in that situation what they need to do, or they are not able to use this strategy, they can, but they need to set the strategy by their own. How to do it? You need to select, first of all, you need to change the candlestick from high Kanashi to Japanese candlestick to high Kanashi candlesticks. You need to select it first, then you need to go to the technical analysis section. First you need to go to the indicator section, click to SMA one time, then you will get this add more tool, click to SMAs twice, then you need to go to the add more tools and you need to go to the oscillator section, and in oscillator you need to click to the MACD. We need to change the parameter. So here we need to change it SMA 20 from SMA, what I told, anybody can say? I showed before the parameter of SMA, guys, remember? No worries. So SMA 5 we have, first of all we need to change the SMA 5 and the line should be blue or green, whatever you want. Okay, just enter. Then the next will be SMA 22. So this parameter we need to change from SMA 20 to SMA 22. Line you can make like blue. Okay, no problem. Click on it. Go back. MACD you need to check, and MACD you need to set with the histogram, and that's it. Now the strategy is set again. So first let me tell you, there is a 2 way. Once we are just choosing by our own, or secondly we can just select, if you are having an expert status, go to the strategy section, then you need to click to the horizon, enable strategy, and that's it. Strategy is going to be set. How to work with that strategy, what all these things, please let me inform you about it. So the strategy is basically based on the MACD, which is the period of 12, 26 and 9 period, which is area type, SMA with the period of 5, SMA with the period of 22, and high Kanashi candlesticks. Right now I'm not getting any signal over here, so why I'm wasting my time on it? Let's change it, because I wanted to open the trade with you guys. Till that time we will discuss what is the MACD, what is the SMA, and all things like. So moving average conversion and diversion means MACD, which is you can see over here with the 2 lines, green and red, and blue color area chart types. MACD basically is a trend following momentum indicator, which is showing the relationship between 2 moving averages of a asset price. What is the asset price? This is the asset price right now. As you see, the gold asset price is 199.91, and the moving average is the 2 moving averages, which is belongs to the EMA period of 12, right? So SMA is actually providing us a guidance, a way that is the chart is going up or is the chart is going down. Okay, so what we can do right now, as we see, I open a trade, a small trade over here, and what we can see, the line is going to near to the blue line, but we can find a reversal. There is a level of 0, if you can see over here. The level of 0, the SMA constantly moving below or above the 0 level. You can see it over here. Once we can see the SMA crosses the line and trending over the horizontal level of 0, what we saw, we will have a chance to get an upper trend over here. And once we see the red candles are coming and we saw the SMA crosses the 0 level and coming down, and this is, I can say that there will be a chance to get might be a downtrend signal. However, there is also a better option to understand the SMA. We have the two lines, which is green and red. What is the meaning of this green and red line? This green line absolutely belongs to the MACD. Like as the MACD moves, this green line is moving. But there is an important line, which is we have line of signal line, that is called red line. So whenever we see the red line crosses the blue line, yeah, or I can say the blue line crosses the red line from down to up or up to down, we will get the signal. But it shows the signal when it cross above. The green line cross the red line from down to up, it's a signal for buying. Or below means when the green line crosses the red line, like you see up to down, this is calling the signal for a downtrend situation. But important thing, the speed of the crossover is basically a signal. What is the meaning by this? As speedily this line is going to cross the red line, as better signal we can find. And remember, just like see this crossover, this is the crossover which is right now we have the lines are too close, it's going cross down, then moving with the green line, and then suddenly the green line coming up. So importantly, we need to understand as much gap we found in both line, as better signal we are getting. So what is the status of our previous trade? Okay, it was a unsuccessful trade, unfortunately. All right. So what we need to do, let's discuss about the SMA as well. Till that time, let me see, is there any signal? Then I will open the trade again with you with the discussion of the indicators and oscillators. Till that time, guys, I would like to request you, please send your feedbacks, please send your questions, anything which is like you have in your mind, please share with me. I will give you the answer at the end of the consultation when we finish with this topic of the strategy. So SMA, simple moving average. You can see there is two lines. So we have here SMA, blue line with the period of 22 and yellow line with the period of 5. So you can even remember like SMA yellow or SMA blue line and yellow line. SMA, what is SMA? SMA, simple moving average, as I mentioned you before. Simple moving average, what is this? This is a technical indicator for determining what we can assume with that is the asset price will continue bullish and bearish trend. What is the bullish? Bullish means upper trend, bearish means downtrend. Okay, or it will going to be reverse, means just touches the line, near to reach the line, and we see the reversal pattern. So this is the important thing which is we need to understand. Basically, SMA, it works with the calculating the average of an asset price over some period. Like we have the SMA 5, this is belongs to the 5 candles, which is previous 5 candles average, and SMA 22 providing us a signal of previous 22 candles. What we can see, SMA, actually we can use the SMA as a standalone tool. If you want, you can use the SMA on the single basis, or if you want, you can combine with any other strategy and we can open the trade. Guys, remember this. Now, very important thing right now happening on my screen. And what is that? We saw the candle is going up. We saw the green candle is going towards to up, but it is not closed above the line. So what happened if it is not closed above the line? This yellow line not crossed the red line for upper side. So that's why I didn't open the trade on that time, because we got the reversal pattern. We found a reversal pattern over there, but the two signals are not matching. How to know the SMA is working? How? Whenever we see the the candles are coming above the both SMA line, from crossing from down and coming above the both SMA line, this is a symbol for an upper trend situation for a small time or long time. And once we see the candles are coming on red value and coming slowly below to both line. So this is a symbol of a reverse downtrend. How to know the reversal pattern? Again, you can check it out. The lines are coming to near to the line, but it's not crossed. And suddenly what we saw, the line just the candlestick is closing below the line. And suddenly this is a reversal pattern. And one more reversal pattern is here, as you can see. And third, which is we already saw. Now, let's open some trades. How to open the trade with this strategy? Remember one thing, if you are choosing the graph time of 1 minute, that means the candlestick time is 60 seconds. So the entry point should be, whenever you enter in the trade, you should open the trade on first 10 second or first 20 second. Means if the candle enters in the 30s like 39, 38, 37, please try to avoid trading at that time, because it's going to be crucial for you. Now what we saw, I saw there is a signal, but unfortunately I was late because I would like to start the trade in the on the actually previous candle, because the cross has been done. So what exactly we need to do? First of all, we need to understand the cross has been done. How to know? If you can, I open the trade also. If you can check this candle, this is the candle when the cross is confirmed. But do not open the trade on this candle, which is the first candle when we saw the candle is crossed. I mean, this SMA yellow line crossed the blue line, because at what moment, what we can see, maybe sometime what we saw, that candles are suddenly coming down and it suddenly rise, and this line is going just on the reversal mode. So on the second candle, means this one, as on this candle right now I am having a cursor, this is a right candle to open the trade. Here you can open the trade because three signals are matching. What are the signals we have? Signal number 1, the candle is red. Signal number 1, the candle is red. Signal number 2, the cross is already done and candle open below the both line. If you can check. Right? Candle is below the line. Okay? And the MACD is already below the horizontal level. So all three signals are matching. I open the trade for a downtrend. If you open the trade with the 1 minute graph time, as I'm putting the graph time of 1 minute, I open the trade for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You can choose the graph time 1 minute or whatever the graph time you choose. Your trading time should be 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time. Please remember. So this is a one signal, and I hope that I will get the profitable trade. Yes. The problem is, this is the time which is I'm using for trading right now. As per Indian Standard Time, it's near to 7. This is a high risk time. Why? Because most of the assets are cranky at that moment. The market is not in the real mood. We are having some kind of either uncertain candles or high moving candles. So try to avoid trading at this time. Just understand the signal and open the trade. This is the reversal pattern, guys, which is I'm mentioning you before. Like the candle is coming down, 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 and suddenly we saw the reversal. So please do not open the trade once you see the candle just near to cross or is crossed. Right. So let's find some other assets. If we will have a signal, then we will definitely going to open the trade. All right. Here we also see, let's see. If the MACD cross the level from down to up and MACD coming to the upper hand, we can open the trades. So no cross has been done. If you wanted to open the trade for upper trend, okay, the candle is green, that is perfectly fine. But MACD is already still below the line. The green line not cross the red line from down to upper moment, and MACD area chart is also not coming above the horizontal level of 0. So what we need to do, we need to wait, because now you see this kind of situation happened if you are opening the trade at this time. So what we need to do, we need to wait, because you can see the level of candle. The candle is going up till here, then there is a doji and candle is coming down. At that moment, if you are opening the trade, there is a might situation to become a high volatile condition you will face in your trading. and still there is no signal that okay, this will going to be up or this will going to be down. However, we can just predict and open the trade. So we have a signal, I open the trade over here, but check this thing, which is very important. Just check the line of this candle and this candle, the previous candle. Both are the same. The level of both candles are the same, which is actually called a level. So sometimes what happened, there is a complaint from many of the traders we are getting, like whenever I open the trade and I see the reversal pattern from the trend. Matlab, whenever I open the trade, what happened, I suddenly see the trading is going on the opposite direction, because this has happened sometimes just because of this situation. As you can see, the candle is still not going above down this level, and this is called the basically levels of support and resistance and technical levels timing. However, you shouldn't stop the situation. You can open the trade by using the martingale system or by using the risk-free trade, and you can check the signal. If you are having the signal, open the trade. Most of the time you will have a chance to get some profitability. I'm continuously opening the trade in front of you guys. Timing. If you choose graph time 1 minute, remember the trading time should be 2 to 3 time. You can choose either 2 minute or either 3 minute. You can sometimes choose the 4 minute also. If you choose the graph time 5 minute, like I'm putting the graph time of 5 minute over here, then we need to choose the graph time. If we choose the graph time 5 minute, then the trading time is going to be 10 minute to 15 minute, meaning 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10 to 15. Also, the calculation is 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time. Okay, let's do some trading with this strategy. Check the asset. Guys, whenever you are choosing the asset, I kindly request you, please don't go only with the profitability percentage. Usually what happens, why we are having some losses, because sometimes we are just bounded ourselves only with the single asset like Asia composite, commodity composite or other composites. Why? Because we saw that here we have the profits percentage is high. However, sometimes we saw that the volatility of the asset is too low, or maybe there is very slow movement in the asset. And sometimes what happens, sometimes the trend is going like this: one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red. Please do not open the trade. You need to focus according to the trend and according to the signal. Doesn't matter what is the percentage of profitability. The focus should be profit. However, remember one thing, the strategies doesn't mean this is the guarantee of the success. Please, strategy doesn't mean this is the guarantee of the success, like you are doing some trading and you will have a chance to get 100% profitable result. No, not at all. Please, you can choose the signal. Sometimes you will have a profitability, sometimes you will have some losses in your trading, but most of the time when the market is going proper and trend is proper, most of the time you will see the profitability in your trading, which is going to be near to 70 to 80, even 90%, but it's not going to be 100%. Please, so what you need to do, select the asset price which is over 80%. Okay, let's see if there is some upper trend signal, then we will open the trade for an upper trend. Now the trend is already high. Okay, till that time let me inform you some other things. Whenever you are choosing the strategy or opening the trade by using the strategy, high active period time, high market activity period we are having, on that time we will saw the proper signal like this: uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. Low activity means whenever you saw the candles are just working near to the SMA line, it's not going to above the line, it's not going to below the line. So this is the low activity period of that particular asset. Try to not open the trade over here. Okay, someone asking me about the timing. So as per Indian Standard Time, however, if you choosing the strategies, na guys, so you can open the trade anytime. within 24 hours. However, there is a proper timing. If you will ask me, then I can say 12:30 Indian Standard Time to 10:30 p.m. 12:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. is a good time to trade. However, as per GMT3, it's going to be 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. GMT plus 3. Remember one thing. So usually I'm getting the signal for a downtrend. If you can go with the upper trend situation, so you can see this signal. What we saw on this candle, we are having an upper trend. Please don't open the trade on the first candle, which is just helping to cross the yellow line towards to upper side of blue line. So on the next candle, this is when we see the candle is opening above the both line. So this is a signal number 1, candle is green. Signal number 2, the SMA line is already crossed the SMA blue line and the cross has been done. This is the perfect scenario, and MACD already up on the upper side. Green line is already crossed the red line from down to up. So this is the best way to open the trade for an upper trend. And there is a scenario. We have some market news which is belongs to some currency, like today in morning time we are having a data from GVP which is belongs to the situation of consumer price index, like inflation data. So that data is usually moving the market from and influencing the market too much. So try to not open the trade at the time of important economic news. Please wait while everything is going to be settled and you can open the trade like that. You can select the asset which is minimum 80% to maximum 93%, and the strategy working well while you are using the martingale system. What is the martingale system? Martingale system is basically like if you, suppose that you have $1,000 in your account. If you have $1,000 in your account, then you need to start your trading from the 1% of the amount. You can check some of my trades, which is this is the martingale system, and the previous trade which is I opened just before our webinar. You can see here 840, here 822. So I start my trade with the $500. So this is initial, I'm just providing as per the just normal way. I start my trade with the $500 and what I see, I got a unsuccessful trade. Okay, I hike amount on the double side. So next trade I opened with the $1,000. So $1,000 trade when I open, so what is happening? Actually, this is also going negative. Remember one thing, if you have two unsuccessful trade on a single asset, then try to avoid trading on that asset, change the timing, change the strategy, because the strategy, as I mentioned, that a strategy is not the guarantee of the success. So maybe this strategy is not working, but other can be work. And again, I'm open the trade with the 2000 USDT and I got a profitability. So the recovery of the two trades is done. What was the loss of my two trades? 1500 USDT and I got 1820, which is like the profitability of 320 USDT with recovery of the 1500 USDT also. So yes, sometimes whenever you open the trade, and again check this one, this is the current candle for trade. Sometimes what happened, the candle is not crossed the level 1. The second candle is also same. Where we are matching with this, okay, here, this candle, previous candle, this candle, these all candles are actually stopping the way of the trading. So try to avoid trading whenever you see any of levels in between of the candles you saw and you saw that, okay, the candles is stopping the level, then try to avoid open the trading over there. Right now we have a signal of MACD, but cross is not done, so stop the trade. Wait for the signal, open the trade, or we can move to the next asset. All right, let's take some question answers. So we have Zombie Killer Army. Hello, have a good day. Thank you. Same to you. Nice name. Choco Roses Hearts. हो thank you so much. दीपक कुमार, मेरा डिपॉजिट फेल हो गया है, फिर भी पैसे कट गए हैं, नहीं आया है मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में, FIR क्यों या फिर क्यों? सर दीपक जी, आपके अकाउंट से पैसे कटे हैं अगर डिपॉजिट है आपका तो आपके बैंक अकाउंट से पैसे कटे हैं तो निश्चित रहिए 24 घंटे से 5 वर्किंग डेज का मिनिमम टाइम टेट होता है, 24 घंटे के अंदर अंदर यूजुअली पैसे आ जाते हैं, तो निश्चिंत रहिए आपका पैसा आपके अकाउंट में सेफली ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा। ऑल राइट, आगे बढ़ते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट काका सेन, वेलकम बैक सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर। इरफान कोका जी हेलो हेलो आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम। संदीप जी नमस्कार। प्रियांशु जी हेलो। मिस्टर इंडिया हेलो। एम के जी नाइस, थैंक यू। मुकुल चौहान हाय, सिग्नल दे दो भाई, 1000 का प्रॉफिट करवाओ। सर पहली बात तो आप गलत चैनल पे हैं, ये हिंदी चैनल नहीं है, तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि अगर आपको हिंदी में कंसल्टेशन है लेने हैं तो कृपया करके हिंदी चैनल को ज्वाइन कीजिए। सिग्नल का ऐसा है, मेरी भी ट्रेड नुकसान में जाती है, मैं भगवान का बेटा नहीं हूँ भाई साहब। पीछे आपने देखा बड़े बड़े अमाउंट की ट्रेड लॉस में गई हैं, लेकिन रिकवरी हो जाती है, और मैं एक्चुअली यही बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि कैसे सिग्नल लेना है। SFI चाकदा भैया प्लीज़ स्पोकन इंग्लिश की क्लास लिया करो। मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है भाई साहब, इंग्लिश नहीं आती मुझे ठीक से, उसके मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है, मुझे ट्रेडिंग आती है और वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। इंग्लिश आई नहीं है ऐसे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता बॉस, ट्रेडिंग आती है। 12-13 साल का एक्सपीरियंस रखता हूँ और इसी की वजह से जो आप देख रहे हैं ना ये बैलेंस है, इसी वजह से है। तो इंग्लिश आना नहीं आना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, ट्रेडिंग आना ज़रूरी है। ठीक है, मैं कम पढ़ा लिखा हो सकता हूँ आपसे, लेकिन ट्रेडिंग बेहतर कर लेता हूँ भाई साहब। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर सजेशन। ओए इट्स शॉर्ट सर, कैन यू गिव सिग्नल और फॉर बिनोमो? नो सर, आई एम सो सॉरी। We are here at the Olymp Trade platform and I can provide you the details according to the Olymp Trade strategies and all things. I'm so sorry. So Umang, hello ji. Sanjay ji, which is the time better for trade in India? So Sanjay ji, as I mentioned before, that the best, no, I can say best, but the good time to trade in India, which is like afternoon 12:30 p.m. to evening 10:30 p.m. This is a good time to trade in India. Okay guys, check one thing. We already saw the candle is moving towards to up. And if we open the trade for downtrend over here and the signals are not matching, please don't do this. For opening the trade in down situation, the candle should be red. The candle should be red. The candle should be below the both of the line of SMA 5 and SMA 3. SMA 5 and SMA 22, and then MACD should be also below the line of horizontal level, and green line should cross the red line from upper to downtrend. So this is the way to open the trade. Please remember. Okay. Sanjay ji, I think I already gave the answer. Mr. Musafir sir, which indicators are you using? Sir, I am using the indicator. This is SMA, and with the SMA we have a MACD. Okay. For those who's just joining now, let me help you to set the strategy one more time. Guys, check one more time, please. This is a mobile application usually we are using. And there is a technical analysis. It seems like a Eiffel Tower or A. We need to click over there. Then we have this kind of menu in the mobile application. This is we are getting in the horizontal way. So indicator, oscillator, drawing tool and strategy. What is the benefit of the strategy? If I would like to set all these signals on my trading platform, I need to set it on the manually, but on this situation I need to change the parameter of each and everything. But if you go to the strategy and if you are an expert status holder, then we have this 8 strategy which belongs to the starter status, millennium advanced strategy, 7 strategy which belongs to the advanced status, and then expert strategies, 8 more strategies. So overall if you are become a expert status, then you will get the 23 strategies. There is a strategy called horizon. Just need to enable the strategy. Once you enable the strategy is going to be set on your account with proper settings of indicator and oscillators. Remember. All right, and which SMA? Sir, SMA we have the calculation of SMA 5 and SMA 22. So we have the blue line which is SMA 22 and yellow line, this is SMA 5. Okay, please any live in Hindi. Fox Iconic सर, मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा, आप गलत चैनल पे हैं, हमारा इंडियन चैनल है, इसका लिंक मैं आपको हमारे यूट्यूब के इस कमेंट बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ, उसको ज्वाइन कीजिए, चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। जब भी हमारे हिंदी में वेबिनार होंगे आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा और आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। वैसे कल वेबिनार होगा शाम को 5 बजे के आसपास, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। काका सेन, वाई विड्रॉल फ्रॉम INR doesn't charge any commission but withdrawal from USDT charge commission? Yes sir, the withdrawals, actually every withdrawals or deposits, they, your payment methods are charging commission. Maybe you didn't check. If you are making deposit with UPI, if you are making deposit with your bank IMPS, if you are making deposit by your bank card, your bank charging commission from your side. But in case of USDT, like if you are using the crypto wallet, so they are definitely charging a commission which is the fixed commission. That's why the commission has been deducted from your account. I'm sorry for that. कौन कौन सा SMA है प्लीज़ बताइए। प्रसन्नजीत जी मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ। मैंने ट्रेडिंग सिग्नल परचेस किया था, अभी तक एक्टिवेट नहीं हुआ। देखिए एक्टिवेट होने का ऐसा है, ट्रेडिंग सिग्नल परचेस करने का ये मतलब नहीं होता है कि हम जब ट्रेडिंग सिग्नल को परचेस करते हैं तो हमें सिग्नल हमेशा मिलते रहेंगे। सिग्नल जब बनेगा, सिग्नल जब आएगा तभी तो सिग्नल मिलेगा। अगर सिग्नल बन ही नहीं रहा है, सिग्नल आ ही नहीं है, अब राइट नाउ अगर मैं कहूँ कि यहाँ पर कोई सिग्नल बन ही नहीं रहा है करने के लिए ट्रेडिंग, जब सिग्नल बनेगा नहीं तो आपको देंगे कहाँ से सिग्नल का मतलब। फिर मैं कह रहा हूँ स्ट्रैटेजी, सिग्नल, इंडिकेटर, ऑसिलेटर, SMA, ट्रेंड, लेवल्स, फाकल्स, पिवट पॉइंट्स, किसी में भी आपको 100% गारंटी नहीं मिलेगी। बेहतर तरीका क्या है कि शॉर्टकट से बचते हुए कृपया करके आप ट्रेडिंग को सीख के करने की कोशिश कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, वेलकम टू TSS सर। मैंने 700 को 1400 बनाए, 10 ट्रेड लिए पर अभी लॉस पर लॉस हो रहा है। ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है। आपने 700 के 1400 बनाए तो 700 विड्रॉल क्यों नहीं किया भाई साहब, जो आपने अपनी जेब से लगाए थे? प्रॉब्लम तो यही है। ये भैया हेरा फेरी मूवी नहीं चल रही है। 25 दिन में पैसा डबल लक्ष्मी चिटफंड कंपनी नहीं है। हम लोग के लॉस क्यों होते हैं? इसी वजह से होते हैं बिकॉज हम लोग जब ट्रेडिंग करते हैं हमें पैसा मिलता है, हमें अच्छा लगता है, ऑब्वियस सी बात है, किसको बुरा लगेगा यार पैसा मिलना, लेकिन उसको हम 1 का डबल 2 का 4 गुना, 4 का 8 गुना करने के चक्कर में रह जाते हैं और फिर लालच आता है, पैसे बढ़ाने के चक्कर में हम नुकसान कर लेते हैं। तो जो प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है उसको निकालो ना। 700 का 1400 भाई साहब कितना परसेंटेज हुआ? दुगना हो गया पैसा भैया, डबल हो गया पैसा। और उसको 1400 का 2800 करने के चक्कर में पता चला कि 700 प्रॉफिट के और 700 आपकी जेब के दोनों निपटा दिया आपने। नहीं होगा ऐसे। सरकार, विड्रॉल्स लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ट्रेडिंग को ट्रेडिंग की तरह से कीजिए, गैम्बलिंग नहीं है ये। मत कीजिए इस तरह से, फंस जाएंगे बुरी तरीके से सर। ओके ठीक है, तो उम्मीद करता हूँ समझ में आया होगा आपको। हेलो, आई नीड टू नो मोर, प्लीज़ आस्क द क्वेश्चन। ओके, फॉर नेशन सर सब्सक्राइब का लिंक सेंड मी। सब्सक्राइब का लिंक ओके, आई थिंक मैं भी सेंड करवा देता हूँ, टेंशन मत लीजिए। ओके, हेलो सर, आई वुड लाइक टू नो योर स्ट्रेटजी, आई मीन हाउ टू एडजस्ट द ऑल स्टिक्स एंड लाइन्स प्लीज। आई थिंक आई ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड द डिटेल सर। Again I'm repeating, this is the technical analysis. In the technical analysis you need to go to the strategy section. We have many of the strategies and every every strategy we have a small video of the strategies which belongs to not more than 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. Whatever the strategy you want, you can check first of all with the video and you can use and you can select by enabling it. Today we are discussing about the horizon strategy. So here is a horizon, there is a small video, just enable the strategy, that's it. Strategy already set on my account and my trade is also I think going to be positive. All right, next question लेते हैं। Drawing with the Anurag, show your last trades. Sure sir, definitely, here is my last trades. Here is my some of the trades. Last trade if you wanted to see, but छोटे पैसे से whenever I open the trade with the smallest amount, पता नहीं आई एम ऑलवेज हैविंग अ लॉसेस. वेन एवर आई ओपन द ट्रेड विद द हैवी अमाउंट्स, मेरे ट्रेड्स प्रॉफिट में जाते हैं. अच्छा, जनरली द ट्रेडर्स आर सेइंग डिफरेंट. So yes, I'm not having too much profitable trades now. Why? As I mentioned before, I'm not the son of the god. What happened? The timing. This is the time which is I'm using right now for trading. In India, it's 7 nearby. So the American market is near to open. Market has become dicey. Okay, so profitability come. That's why I'm always using this time whenever I'm opening the trade. So I'm always using the risk-free trades. Okay, thank you. Hi style, hello Dhananjay Verma, good evening sir. Hello sir, how much trades do in a day? Yes, very nice question. Basically it depends on your bag. Well, usually what I'm suggesting, always remember to track or focus 20% profit of your balance and 10% loss of your balance. If you are having 20% profit on the same day, stop your trade, withdraw the 20% profitability and start your trade again on next day. Even if you lose the 10% of your balance amount, stop your trade, do accordingly. In that situation, your question should be how much the amount of the trade. So you need to start the trading with the 1% of your balance. Suppose you have $1,000 in your account. So 1% of $1,000 is $10. So start your trade with the $10 and maximum it should go to maximum trading amount, which is you need to start with the $50. Yes, $50. Correct. ओके, इस टाइम मार्केट ऑफ रहती है? नहीं सर, इस टाइम मार्केट ऑफ नहीं रहती. मार्केट वॉलेटाइल हो जाती है. मार्केट कभी एक सा नहीं रहता. कभी कभी मार्केट में हम देखते हैं बहुत ज़बरदस्त मूवमेंट होता है ऊपर नीचे. कभी कभी हम देखते हैं कि मार्केट एकदम शांत हो जाता है, सुस्त हो जाता है. और वो दोनों ही टाइम जो होते हैं वो ट्रेड करने के नहीं होते. मार्केट में जब मूवमेंट आता है ना, मूवमेंट कैसा होता है देखिए, मैं दिखाता हूँ. अब यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं ना, पीछे देखिए कितने स्मूथ सिग्नल मिल रहे हैं. नीचे ऊपर नीचे, फिर उसके बाद रिवर्सल पैटर्न, देन ऊपर देन नीचे. बट सडनली जब हम यहाँ आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ क्या देख रहे हैं, सिग्नल अटक रहे हैं. कैंडल्स के साथ में ये कैंडल लाइनों के साथ चल रही हैं. इसका मतलब यहाँ रुकने का ये इशारा है. अगर आप रुकते हैं तो बहुत खुशी की बात है, नहीं रुकते तो और भी खुशी की बात है. ओके, व्हाट इज द मोस्ट सिंपल स्ट्रेटजी? ट्रेडिंग इज नॉट अ सिंपल थिंग सर. एवरी स्ट्रेटजी इज सिंपल. Just practice with that. Use the video, use the webinar video, do practice accordingly, and it is going to be simple for you definitely. Kaka-san, can you please explain the difference between hanging man and hammer candle? It does color the candle of the important. Oh sir, what we will do, we will start one consultation of candlestick, Japanese candlestick pattern. Then we will definitely discuss about it. However, one more thing I would like to suggest you, here is a help section. You need to go to the help section, and here we have the help center. In the help center we have 2-3 segment. Segment number 1 we have a user guide. Segment number 2 we have a trading tutorials. In the trading tutorials we have everything: strategies, indicator, oscillator, how to trade, where to trade, how to use the drawing tools, how to use the advanced technical analysis, and the Japanese candlestick. So you can find each and every details of the Japanese candlesticks. Everything is there. It's definitely going to be help you. Okay, कम डिपॉजिट से कैसे करें? सर, कम डिपॉजिट के साथ में एक चीज़ आप लिखना भूल गए. कम डिपॉजिट से ज़्यादा पैसे कैसे बनाएं? पैसा पैसे को खींचता है सर. कम डिपॉजिट में भी मेरी सलाह ये होगी कि कम से कम आप एक एवरेज अमाउंट, वैसे तो अगर मैं बोलता हूँ तो मैं मानता हूँ 20,000 से 50,000 रुपया एक एवरेज अमाउंट है. अगर आप यूएसडी में डिपॉजिट कर रहे हैं तो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर करीबन 200 से 500. लेकिन फिर भी कम से कम अगर आप करते हैं तो आपको 7,000 रुपया डिपॉजिट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि 7,000 रुपये का 1% से भी आप ट्रेड स्टार्ट करोगे तो वो होता है 70 रुपया. राइट? ओके सर, फॉरेक्स के ऊपर भी कभी लाई आइए. ज़रूर सर. वैसे इस स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ हम फॉरेक्स में भी ट्रेड कर सकते हैं. आपको करना यह है कि अपने ग्राफ का टाइम को चेंज करके यहाँ पर इसको 4 घंटा करना है मैक्सिमम. मिनिमम हम रख सकते हैं 15 मिनट. एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेम. एज मच, जितना ज़्यादा आपका ग्राफ का टाइम होगा उतने ज़्यादा बढ़िया और उतने बेहतर सिग्नल मिलेंगे. जितना कम छोटा ग्राफ का टाइम होगा देन आपको सिग्नल कम मिलेंगे. ठीक है, प्लीज़ इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखिएगा. ओके, सब कम डिपॉजिट हो गया. भारती साहू, हेलो हेलो हेलो. FIB की स्ट्रैटेजी के ऊपर बात कीजिए। FIB क्या होता है सर? ये सर कितने से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं? आई थिंक मैंने सवाल का जवाब दिया अभी, ठीक है ना। मिनिमम ट्रेडिंग अमाउंट कितना है? मिनिमम ट्रेडिंग अमाउंट 1%। मिनिमम ट्रेडिंग अमाउंट अगर आप INR में करते हैं तो 70 रुपये, USD में करते हैं तो $1। How to read a candle resistance mark, and can you please suggest how to get the personal consultation from Olymp Trade expert? Current status is advanced, 48 hours experts. Kaka ji, I would like to request you, whenever you reach the expert status, you will have a chance to get the personal consultations. However, in the advanced status, you will have a chance to get one personal consultation in a month. So you can contact to the support team and ask them. They will definitely going to help you to book your consultation with any of our analysts. If you want with me, you can join with me also, or we have a team which is providing you the properly. So guys, this is the time to say bye bye. I'm sorry, the time is over. Please use the strategy with very carefully, and best of luck for your trading. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please take care. Namaskar. Jai Hind.